Absorption Chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Whenever one of your pieces captures another piece, your piece gains that piece's movement in addition to the current moves it already has. If you are using chess discs, simply stack your piece on top of the captured piece to remind you of your piece's allowed moves. Pieces may accumulate the movement abilities of several pieces. If you capture a piece that has gained other moves, then your piece gains all of those moves. If a piece captures a piece with a move it has already obtained, then no new move is added to its repertoire. Kings with the ability to move several spaces at once may not move over attacked squares, but they can check their opponent's king over attacked squares. Any piece that has the ability of a pawn may promote if it uses the pawn's movement to advance to the furthest row. When a piece is promoted, it retains all movement ability it already has, plus the movement of whatever piece it is promoted to. A piece that has a pawn's ability that is on your second row is able to use the pawn's initial double-step move option if you want. If you use a pawn's double-step move ability with another piece that would be otherwise unable to perform that move, then that piece may be captured by En Passant. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.